So I have another package from this company, which I'm not familiar with. I have no idea what this is. For all I know, this is a company that just sent me stuff to do a review on. I don't know. I'm about to open up and find out. But it seems familiar. I just can't put my finger on it. I'll use my foot to open this. Where is the scissors when I need them? This is killing me. Now both feet are involved. Okay, I'm putting this down. Okay. I felt like that was a workout. Okay, I see something red. I got the invoice. Hold on, what is this? Oh, Roman Atwood. Now I remember. Yeah, I bought this. I got their Christmas, one of their Christmas edition, crew necks. Or is it crow necks? I don't remember. Crew neck, whatever. Smile more. I love that. Oh, it's raining out now. Yay! There's one. And two. I love my hoodies being extremely large. Don't know why. It's just me. Ugh. That's good. Don't be a snowflake. Smile more. I love it.